Jack Turner was an ordinary man living in a small town in Arizona. He wasn't a lawyer, a rebel, or some kind of criminal. In fact, Jack believed in following the law to the letter. He was one of those people who read government rules, respected them, and tried to stay informed. One day, while browsing online articles, Jack came across something interesting. Arizona law clearly stated that it was legal to collect rainwater on your own property. That made sense to him. Rain falls freely from the sky. Why shouldn't people be allowed to use it? Especially in dry places like Arizona. Jack got an idea. Why not collect large amounts of rainwater, store it, and use it for daily purposes? Watering his garden, washing his car, even helping out his neighbors, who often faced water shortages during the dry season. Excited by the possibilities, Jack started working on a project in his backyard. Over the next few months, he built an advanced rainwater collection system with huge storage tanks, filters, and pipes. He spent thousands of dollars of his savings, convinced he was doing something both smart and completely legal. At first, everything was going great. Jack's system worked beautifully. His garden flourished, his water bills dropped to zero, and he even helped a few neighbors with free water during a dry spell. But just a few weeks later, Jack received a letter from the city. It claimed his rainwater system was in violation of zoning rules. The letter warned him to stop using the system immediately or face fines. Jack was shocked. He reread the law he had found. It clearly said rainwater collection was legal in Arizona. Confused but calm, he wrote back, quoting the law and explaining he was well within his rights. However, the city wasn't convinced. They replied that while rainwater collection was allowed, the scale of his system made it a different matter. Because Jack was collecting so much water and providing it to others, they claimed he was technically operating a private utility, like a small water company. That would mean a whole different set of rules, permits, and inspections. Jack was stunned. He wasn't selling water, just sharing it. He wasn't a company, just a neighbor trying to help. Still, the city insisted he had crossed a line.